US President Joe Biden said he has moved 12,000 troops along the borders with Russia, while asserting that Vladimir Putin will not be victorious in the war he has waged against Ukraine. Addressing members of the House Democratic Caucus, Biden stressed over not fighting a third world war in Ukraine but avowed, sending an unmistakable message that we will defend every inch of NATO territory. Biden said the people of Ukraine have demonstrated remarkable bravery and courage in the face of a Russian military offensive, but the security assistance that the US provides has been critical in their defense. The US President said, "And as we provide support to Ukraine, we are going to continue to stand together with our allies in Europe and send an unmistakable message that we will defend every inch of NATO territory with a united, galvanized NATO."